Who is like you, O Lord, among the gods? Who is like you, majestic in holiness, awesome in glorious deeds, doing wonders among the gods? This isn't metaphor. Psalm 89 sings almost the same line, Yahweh among the council of the holy ones. Deuteronomy 32 names the framework. The nations were given to other powers that God had created, and Israel is Yahweh's portion. Egypt had its own gods. Yahweh promised judgment on them back in chapter 12. Then he split the sea at Baal-Zephon, on a storm god's doorstep. Nobody is like him. You stretched out your right hand. The earth swallowed them. Pharaoh said, my hand shall destroy them. Yahweh stretched out his hand. Pharaoh's hand is in the ground. You have led in your steadfast love the people whom you have redeemed. You have guided them by your strength to your holy abode. The God who fought now leads. He's not just bringing them out of Egypt. He's leading them to his own dwelling.